Thank you naman, nakakatuwa. And foremost, we'd like to thank all of you for your support. You have made our work a little lighter. Hindi very light, pero a little lighter with your support and your yung commitment niyo po sa PhilHealth. Maraming salamat po. It really unloads us every time because nasanay na kami na we need to speak up and say something, but then you make our work lighter. So again, in behalf of the Corporate Communications Department, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat, and we're happy that you enjoyed the night, and we look forward to working with you for the rest of the coming days ahead, and to get to know you better. And napakilala na rin natin yung ating bagong Vice President po for Corporate Affairs Group, Sir Waway. Of course, our mentor here, Sir Ray Balenya, is still with us. Palakpakan din natin si Sir Ray. Ito yung mga mentors ko Kaya in behalf of PhilHealth, the Corporate Communications team, and the Philippine Health Insurance Corporation, maraming salamat po sa ating lahat and sa inyong lahat. Good evening.